Episode 14, Predictive Maintenance, Using AI to Prevent Equipment Failure. Welcome back to Sampson Construction TV. In construction, equipment failure isn't just inconvenient, it's expensive. Downtime can delay projects, frustrate clients, and increase costs. That's why predictive maintenance with AI is a game changer. First, AI monitors equipment performance. Sensors track vibrations, temperature, and usage hours, spotting signs of wear long before breakdowns occur. Second, AI predicts failures. By comparing live data with historical records, AI identifies when parts are likely to fail, so maintenance happens before problems strike. Third, AI reduces costs. Instead of replacing equipment on a fixed schedule or waiting until it breaks, AI ensures repairs are made only when needed, saving both time and money. At Sampson Construction, we know that well-maintained equipment keeps projects moving smoothly. AI-driven predictive maintenance gives us confidence that our tools are reliable and our teams stay productive. Because in construction, every hour counts, and prevention always beats repair.